Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram videos not playing in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Telegram videos is not playing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, because sometimes it might be that your network is weak, so you're unable to play videos on your Telegram app. Or if you're having the issue that your internet is working well, but you're still facing the same issue, so you have to go to your settings here, go to General, go to VPN and device management, and very first you have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that, then go back, go to date and time, and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and go to iPhone storage. You have to make sure that you have almost minimum 5 GB free with your iPhone storage to use your iPhone as well or as playing videos. After doing that, you can go back. You can also try to update your software if you find any pending software update, or you can also try to update your Telegram app. Just open your App Store and here search for Telegram, and you just have to make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your Telegram app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just go for search and search for Telegram. Just try to offload your app. You can also try to delete apps. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your Telegram app, it will be fixed in steps. So you will not get the issue again. So just tap on offload app and then tap on offload app option again, and it will completely offload your apps. Once I've offloaded, just reinstall the app. And after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to make sure that you're not using Telegram in the country where the Telegram has been banned. So just go to browser or the Google, and you just have to try to search for if Telegram is available in your country or not. If you might say that the Telegram is not available in your country, so you can try to use a VPN to connect to a different server, and then you can easily use Telegram without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.